record time alongside him. 21 of Richard Smith, Paddy Merritt tucked in there to the 72 of Corey Jones. The Victorian to the 55, Liam Russell. We're about to go racing Formula 500 action on the Speedway as they head down through turn number 1 and 2 for the first time. It'll be Brendan Zaddo who leads into turn number 3 and 4, drifts right towards the fence on the exit of turn number 4. Our leader is Zaddo Smith, then Paddy Merritt. Have a look at Michael Wise going at it in car number 8. Good to see the little two-stroke 500cc machine revving his little guts off, and it's in there in the 3rd spot. Outstanding run so far from Michael Wise.
Okay, Brendan. Good. Oh, wow. Wow.
Taking out the leader. Zaddo has gone from hero to zero very quickly. That was a wild ride into the event. So just the 5 cars remaining, still 13 up on the counter. Good chance for Richard Smith to win a feature race here. And Michael Wise turning the clock back to the early 2000s. He runs inside the top 2 in a Formula 500 feature. Paddy Merritt in the 3rd spot, then a 72 of Corey Jones and a 31 of Harrison Fitzner. Back there just circulating, getting some valuable laps. Aboard the 31, battle for 2nd. And Paddy Merritt just poked his nose up the inside of Michael Wise. There in turn number 3 and 4, couldn't get it done. He might get it done here. Wise drifts a little wide. Merritt gets him into turn number 1, so Paddy Merritt up to 2nd in the Tatiara truck and trailer. For his entire run. So rotten luck for Michael Wise. But no such luck for our leader, Richard Smith. It's all good for him in the 21. Although, as I say it, he's almost got the wall in turn number 4. He too may have an issue. I think he's broken the toe link.
Yeah.
The front end on the car is absolutely gone.
Inside this last lap.
And out of nowhere, Patrick Merritt or maybe Corey Jones will get a win. Out of turn number 4, it'll be Patrick Merritt. Get the win. Merritt out of Jones over Jones. I think Smith will still finish in 3rd.
He did.
And Harrison Fitzner will be the only other driver to finish the race in 4th. I said he was all good luck for the 21.